Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to press the bell icon to get notified on each video we post. Towards Rameswaram, it's 6 hours 58 minutes from here and 369 kilometers from here. Here there are many kids doing skating.
This is like one of the Mr. Bean episodes. Over there, Mr. Bean kept a sofa and he sat on that sofa and was driving the car from that sofa, not inside the car. We are here at some Sai cafe. So like you just see, there's so many things. You have sweets and snacks, fresh juice, filter coffee, tea, snacks and boiled snacks and dosa.
Now Nilesh is taking order and helping the waiter. Masala dosa.
3.
Other half are still left because we are waiting for the uttappa to come. The rest of us had this is Rava Kesari which Trish liked and we ordered.
Right now we are putting our car in cruise control mode. It will work on its own.
See, now it has taken the speed of the
Car ahead us.
car which is in front of
Us.
700. This is the industrial area.
सागर तुम 8th ग्रेड में लाइक जाने ओके इतना खाते हो 3 पराठे 4 पराठे इतना मोटा क्यों नहीं हुआ बड़ा क्यों नहीं हुआ
वही तो समझ में ही नहीं आता.
Rameshwaram, 49 kilometers. So there are targola trees. See all targola trees. There are so many while going towards Rameshwaram. You can see people selling targolas on the highways. You're this way. See here also. These are coconut trees. These targolas are actually called ice apple.
We are here to take targola. There are so many targola either, uncountable for me.
Map is showing the portion of India's structure, the tip of India.
Yes.
So from here you can even go to Dhanushkodi. So Dhanushkodi is our tomorrow's plan to visit. But today we are planning to do the darshan of the Jyotirlinga. And there are railway tracks over here nearby. Here it is. Here you can see in the map now the tip is getting narrower and narrower. We could see the Indian Ocean from the right hand side. There the ocean is. Here, this is the clear view. So we are almost parallel to the railway tracks also, which is on the left hand side. Now we can even see the Pamban Bridge. So there are two bridges. One is being made, which is this part, and the other one where you can see, which is little bit lower. That is the actual Pamban Bridge, which was built long. It has completed 100 years. Now that bridge has been closed down, and a new bridge is being built. See here, the board is also there for the Pamban Bridge. This bridge is for the car. So we are crossing this bridge. So on the left hand side we can see the Pamban Bridge also. This Pamban Bridge of railway track is the longest bridge in southern India. And it connects the Rameswaram to the main island, and it's 7 kilometer long bridge, and the road bridge is known as the Indira Gandhi road bridge, which is running parallel to the Pamban Bridge. On the Pamban Bridge, the silver part, as you can see, opens for the ship to pass through this bridge. You can see how long ways we have come. And while standing on this road bridge, when a car passes or a truck passes or a bus passes, whichever vehicle in short passes, you can feel the bridge moving up and down.
We have choose a hotel named Hotel NNP Grand. रूम इधर ही होते कहीं. Rooms are somewhere here inside. ये एक पहला रूम है. हाँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बेड, रिमोट सब है. नाइस.
Now we are ready. We are visiting the Jyotirlinga today. So we have to keep our phones and smartwatches and everything outside the temple. So we just kept it in our room and we are ready. So Drish and Papa are wearing this just because they want to take a dip in the water over there. So they'll go in the water wearing this, and then we have extra lungi so that they can change.
There are 22 pools, so they will put water from every kund. There will be some Maharaj who will be taking water from the wells and kund and pour it on us.
Nice.
So we all get wet, and then after that, before entering the mandir, this is not allowed. So we'll have to wear maybe mundu and some t-shirt, or go bare chest. So let's see how we. But mom has taken clothes, so there are changing rooms, is what I've heard. So we'll change and then enter the temple.
So for girls, we have to cover up our whole body. So I just wore a kurta and dupatta around. So we
For
are.
us, traditional dress is allowed, and you can even wear jeans if you are wearing a kurta above. That is allowed.
That's the mandir, the Rameswaram Temple, and we are walking towards it since it is around 1 kilometer from our room. Rameswaram Temple definitely looks very beautiful.
So we finally found these people. हम लोग के दर्शन भी हो गए, अभी तक नहा रहे थे.
We just done with the darshan. So we hardly took an hour's time. We started with the bath in those 22 kunds. That was hardly 15-20 minutes. That's it. There was hardly any rush. In fact, we got a kind of VIP treatment. Ideally, it takes 25 rupees per person, and if you want VIP passes, it's around 150 rupees. But since there was no rush, we got VIP treatment for just 25 rupees. And now thereafter we took Shankar Bhagwan's darshan, and then we were done. I mean, that also was like 10-15 minutes. That's it.
And today was a Monday. Since majority of the tourists had left this Rameswaram by afternoon, so we were in luck that by 3 o'clock we came to the temple, and by 4 o'clock we are out.
Yeah. It's actually tea time, so we found this place. Let's order some tea for all of us.
आप देख सकते हैं पापा और दृश हाथ पकड़े हुए गाला टाइम is getting ready. Dada is lost, so we are also ready.
As you can see, Drish and Sagar
Two love birds.
always hand and shoulder.